Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we'll discuss the digital interview experience of a candidate who belongs to our Prime Coding community, as well as the location of the candidate was Kanpur, UP. And I will also let you know few more or unique questions that was asked in Thane, Maharashtra slots. Okay, so please stay till the end, and the interview experience date is 19th of June. Yes guys, so we'll see all these questions that were asked by the candidate. So you are watching Prime Coding and let's begin with this video. Candidate experience. So he has shared us, hello sir, I'm done with my digital role interview. As you can see, the technical DBMS questions, OOPS and OS questions were asked to him, as well as you can see here one thing. Glad to took mock sessions that he took with us, 2 mock sessions that he took with us, and I will let you know how you can get the free mock session in the end. Now, print the element which is repeated more than n by 3 times. The coding question was this. We'll discuss everything in detail, and the interview duration was 30 to 35 minutes. Great. See, in so much of less time, how much questions they were asking. So, how clear you should be? Now, it's upon you. I will let you know all the sources where you can use to prepare for your interview. Now, digital technical questions. Great. Digital technical questions that were asked in digital room. Question related to the experience that the guy has 2 internship experience with him. They asked in-depth questions regarding the internship projects that he have did, like what all impact that you have made, what role that you are responsible to do. Is that a collaborated features that you are building? So 2 experience was this. So most of the time burn on their internship experience. Moving forward with the DBMS question, simple question, difference between RDBMS and DBMS, because they have asked in-depth questions in projects or experience. That's why they are asking very easy question in DBMS. So RDBMS, really a very easy question. Questions of correlated queries and joins, all both question you can find in one short DBMS video that I have created and put it on my channel. Okay, I will show you the thumbnail of everything. And in OOPS, it was asked abstractions and encapsulation. You can expect the examples that you need to give, which should be a real life example. Please come over than animal vehicle type of example. Try to create a new, because the guy who is taking the interview might be aware of all these examples and it's kind of bored. Okay, so try to be different now if you have watching this video now. And the difference between functions and class. This question is very hot questions, as I have also covered in my most asked technical questions, because there should be a critical difference. In class, we generally have a OOPS advantage over the functions. We can hide and all, but in function, we can't do all this stuff. There are good level of definitions that you should be aware of. Okay, in OS, you can see simple question about scheduling algorithm. Okay, so in depth, what asked was, how many types of scheduling algorithm is there? What is the optimal one? Okay, this was a follow-up question. What was the optimal one? So it should be aware of round robin and why it is more optimal, or it would be other algorithm that is more optimal than other. You should be able to tell the advantages of the optimal algorithm on the present algorithm that are there in OS. Now, explanation of project plays a vital role in your project. Project explanation in interview. So how to explain project with mistakes and pro tips that you want to do. Every people for our Prime Coding community who had attended the interview, they use STAR method, which is told in this video. And if you're not able to frame your response, you can see this video where I have talked about the full stack project. If you have, how you can say your response or create a response, and if you have ML project or if you have any internship with you, so how you can create your responses. Both the video is must watch so that you will be able to create your response and hook the interviewer interest in your explanation. As much you will hook interviewer into your explanation, that more time you will burn and the probability of getting hired will increase. Okay, so coding question were asked like print the element which is repeated more than n by 3 times. Sir, point to be noted, the guy told me that input was like this. In a string format, same like NQT. Many of the people were just stuck here because of they are not able to take the input in the exam. Same thing, 8 is the length of the array and rest of the are array elements. So you need to parse over it, create a array and have a n value with you. Same thing I have taught in this particular video, how to take input, in-depth video, how to take input, what all input cases that are there, each and everything discussed in detail in this video. And this particular question by 3 came in TCS NQT 6th of May, shift 1. You can see the video is also uploaded. I always recommend to those who have solved my or who have watched my one shot 2 hour all pattern array question video. There's a one shot array pattern questions and one short string video as well. Who have watched all this? So try to do this TCS NQT series that I have solved. At least go through all the questions so that you will be able to create some responses. This guy was able to do because in the mock session as well, I have asked this type of question: why you were not able to take the input in exam, and how you have overcome your weaknesses. So please do this. This is a highly recommended technical and HR questions that were asked is why TCS, you deserve TCS digital relocation, will you do overtime in this? All type of questions were discussed in part 1 and part 2 with in detail description and how you need to create your response. Templates are given in this video. Please watch it, make a note of it so that you can able to create a context of your definition. So try to be a context oriented, not a context less, because I have saw in mock questions people are not able to represent their answer well. Okay, as I want to add one thing, in Thane, Maharashtra, the digital profile, they asked the algorithm of how you can delete a node from singly linked list. This was a very easy question and the algorithm were asked from a candidate. I have received it, and why not have created a single video on it, because all the question was pretty similar of this interview. You can see here all these questions like this, the experience that I also having experience, but the project questions were also there, as well as few OS, DBMS, OOPS questions. So the difference that I feel is Thane, on the Thane center was algo of delete of a singly linked list. So when you're talking about a delete, you should have a 4 case with you. First, if you don't have any node in the list, not have any node. And second, you have only one node. Third, what if you want to delete a node in between? Fourth, if the node is in the last. So try to tell them as this particular statement. Yes sir, it might be a 4 cases. So in first case, how we can delete the element, second case, third case, and following with the fourth case. Yes. Now we'll talk about the more resources. This video is ever talking about, and this one, if you are able to solve or if you have watched all these, please try to do TCS NQT all shift solution without seeing the solution that I have told. If you're not able to solve it, then watch it for sure. TCS NQT most important SQL interview questions that you want to do. The most watched video, the over the 15k plus view on this video contains all the necessary pattern that you should be aware of. Following with the DBMS question, guys, any interview experience that I've uploaded, you can see the questions were asked from both of this video, because it contains all the patterns that you should be aware of. Now, what about free mock session, Aditya, that you have talked in the beginning itself? So, the free mock session, you just need to comment on this video as the winner processing is started. But please comment on this video, it might be you get a lucky chance. Second, join the Telegram group, okay, of Prime Coding Community. The link would be in the description. Third, you just need to follow our Instagram of Prime Coding. The link would be in the description. And if you need a personal or early access over the mock section, the starting price is just 99. What you will need to do is, I will show you right now. So guys, you are able to see our www.primecoding.in website. Here we have created, me and my team has been created this particular website. This is me. Now you can see stand out and step ahead with Prime Coding that I have written. Moving forward with one payment and endless opportunity that you can see. The 69 managerial round, 149 in this technical resume. But the most taken course is this combo, in which I will give you the detailed feedback, the detailed question over the HR and technical. There would be 2 members in the interview. It will look like a real-time interview, will make you nervous. Then also will give you the particular feedback that you should be aware of. Now, moving forward with the book now button, if you click on the book now button, you will get a landing on this particular form. You just need to fill your form, choose a slot or choose a program that you need, and choose your profile, upload your resume, and do a payment system. So payment amount, how much you have did, just click on it. Date of your interview, if you have received, okay, it would be very good to analyze our schedules also. And please guys, see, I have written fully booked till 25th. Guys, please, it's my request, if you want session, please ask first whether you have any slot or not before making payment. But if you need any session and your interview is in July or in June, after 25th, you can take the session for sure. Your date will be allocated, because we are fully booked on mock sessions, because we have doing this mock session in detail. People of Prime role, digital role, and Ninja role will get benefited. I have personally mentored them like a way, so that they will definitely clear this interview. You can see the feedback present over the Telegram group. You can see how that guy has benefited. I have seen the people are not able to speak properly in the mock interview, but after giving a guided support, they have nailed the interview. And it would be the next, because the opportunity is most important. I will make sure that after this mock session, you will be confident and the fear is gone out definitely from your body, and you will definitely ace your interview. As in this layoff, if you have offer in your hand and you just need to do the internship, or just you need to do a good in interview so that you will get the offer. So try to do that. Mock session is just for you, meant for you. And I will meet you with a new video soon. Please share with your friends so that they will also get benefited, and you will not have regret, because many of the people I saw, they found our channel very late, but it is never late. Please follow it from now. Hiring updates, new trends, trending technology, and all questions will come on this channel. So please subscribe it, like it. It supports me in lot of manner. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.